I ran me some bath water. I took that in there, and I sprinkled it in my hand. I slapped it on the pussy. Slap, 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 slap. Slap, slap, slap. I don't know how far back y'all pussy go. My pussy go way back here. So I was just slap, 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 slap. I waited for 5 minutes, like Box said, right? I'm waiting. Bing! 5 minutes. Okay, I got in the tub. And I raised that motherfucker up. Beep, 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 beep. Clean as a baby's ass, y'all. It was a beautiful thing. Oh, we fucked and sucked and skeeted and squirted all over the place. That motherfucker's face looked like a warm glazed Krispy Kreme donut. I tell you, it was fabulous. It was wonderful. It was a beautiful thing for about 2 weeks. The hair started to grow back. Now, I don't know how many of you ladies have ever poured kerosene on your pussy and set it on fire before, but there was a burning and an itching sensation, y'all, that I wouldn't wish on my worst enemy. I mean, I couldn't scratch my pussy hard enough. I had credit card, hairbrushes. I just, ooh, shoot. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I would never do that shit again for no motherfucker, not as long as I live. I don't care if my pussy look like you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, wow. Oh, you don't have to ask, honey. Thank you so much. God bless you.
My diaper is full.
I know, honey. I can smell it.
I mean, my diaper is full in the back and in the front.
Ooh. It's gonna be hard to quit you.
I know we try to keep our business off the street. It's hard to play the game.
What's up, yo?
You look good, girl. That golden look.